Wait, it's rosé. 7, 6. Oh, I'm shouting.
4. Oh my god, we lost the fucking stream! It just started!
I think I might just drink out of this bottle like this.
Cheers.
Wait, we didn't kiss it. How romantic. Okay, now let me... Oh, they're showing the fireworks, but this time with better music.
Yeah.
The first time round we watched it from the news channel and it was awful music.
Awful. It was
just
gross.
You know, one can hope for better times.
Next year.
To a better New Year's Eve next year. Welcome to a Christmas special.
Frohe Weihnachten. Sorry, we're not in Thailand. But that's because we were in Thailand a month ago.
So the vlogs are about like 2 months
They're 2
at
months
this point.
behind, yeah. We're in Australia.
Basically, we thought it wouldn't make sense to post Thailand now. If we have all this Christmas footage, we want to make a Christmas special now. And so that's what this is. Christmas special, and then we'll go back to the Thailand vlog. I think we're gonna start with the 23rd, which was baking Christmas cookies. So we're making vanilla crescents today. Is there a button to press? Good, it works. I think we can... Okay, last time I did this was probably when I was like in primary school. Preheat the oven.
True what?
160 degrees high speed. So we're following my grandma's recipe. And my grandma is from Austria, so it's in German. And it's not even a written recipe, it's just ingredients. It's an ingredient list. The chicken
doesn't stand.
Lean it against the bunny. One more thing. These are supposed to be baked with like regular butter, but we're vegan and we couldn't find vegan butter. We could only find like margarine, or your mom had like this
Coconut oil butter.
Does it act like regular butter?
It's like an ice block.
Whoa!
Yeah, it's hard.
I don't know if we can actually use that instead of regular. My grandma will be disappointed.
Should we not put this in the microwave?
Let's use a little bit of this and then margarine, okay?
No, let's stick to this.
You should be able to mold it with your hands. We need to form little crescents. Plain flour. This one, I think. We need 20, so 200. Wait. 10 grams of vanilla sugar. Icing sugar. We just do this.
How many grams?
50. So it's 6. Now we mix it. Yeah, with pizza dough baker. My hands are very buttery. The other recipe, I have never done myself.
Are you with your grandma?
My mom got it from a blog post, so we can look at the actual recipe and have like instructions. Vegan vibes. Oh no, it's German.
Vegane vibes?
Vegane vibes. Zimt, Sterne, cinnamon stars. We're in Australia, which is why we can just, you know, walk outside and get lemons from the lemon tree.
Come on, there we go.
130 grams hazelnut, and we need 130 almond milk, 100 grams icing sugar, lemon,
Okay.
7.5 milliliters. Ready for the fruities. Alright, let's do this. Do you have clean hands?
Yes. I'll wash my hands.
No! I actually feel really ridiculous saying vanilla croissants because I don't think it's a thing in other countries. And we just call it vanilla kipferl.
Vanilla kippa.
Yeah. So I'm gonna make a wurst.
Vanilla Wurst.
A long sort of thing. And then about this much.
Okay.
And then what you do is you make a little ball and then you form. Once it's like, okay, so this one is too big, but you would then, oh no, it's actually a decent size. Then you do this.
So is this okay?
Yeah, it's a bit thick, but it's okay. The dog was thirsty.
The dog is here. Hello, Killian.
Hello, Killian.
My nephew is just staring at us at the door.
What are you up to?
What are you doing?
You wanna help us bake?
How was your day?
Maybe it's confused. Okay, well that didn't go too well. Baby doesn't like Christmas food. It has been in the freezer for quite a while. Oh, perfect. I think this one might be okay.
T-Rex. Do I just cut it?
No, wait. Cut it as close to the edge as possible. Put it down and leave it there. Don't take it out because we don't have a tray. Or maybe let's just put a few more so we can do it, you know, take it out at the same time. Honestly, I love the dinosaurs.
The dinosaurs
They're
are
great.
pretty great.
The strawberry is so huge. We're eating an insanely big strawberry. He can't even fit it in his. What? Sour strawberry.
He's just like trying to shove it into his mouth.
This one? Or which one do you like the most? Sorry, too late.
Okay.
Heart or Mickey Mouse?
Mickey Mouse.
I think some of them are burnt. Oh no. Not for you. Not for you.
Especially not these ones. They have hazelnut in them.
Both of them have hazelnut in them.
My nephew's got a Mercedes.
You make me jealous, thank you.
A little bit. What's up?
You want to see what's in there? You want to see? No? Okay, good one. Every time it comes through here, it's like... Tired yet?
Tired yet? There? Oh no!
Yeah, you can keep going.
And the dog's just sitting outside. He's just like, I'm not having any of this.
Did you hear that? He said Winston.
Winston! I don't know if he understands Winston isn't his name.
Okay, so the vanilla crescents are cooling down, and we're gonna maybe try one of the ugly ones. So what you do later on is like you do a little bit of this, and then you put it in the cookie box. That's good.
Yeah. Is that okay? I don't know what to compare it to.
Is that not the best thing you ever had? I think they're so good.
Yeah?
So sugary. He's scared.
I think he's fascinated.
Killian, I don't think that's how you're supposed to do it.
It's not?
No. No. That's not how it works. That's not how it works. You can put a little bit of lemon juice. Alright, if it doesn't. Mine are running down. We have to use too much. This is pure sugar. And lemon juice.
And lemon.
So this one is the ugly Mickey Mouse, which we're gonna taste test, and then these are the dinosaurs and stars. So this is what a perfect vanilla kid toy looks like. This is what they were all supposed to look like. We have one.
We also went roller skating in the city
On Christmas Eve.
on Christmas Eve.
The 24th was very hot. So we
Yes.
went into the city. We had booked the roller,
roller
skating
skating.
rink because
Yeah.
on the 23rd when we went,
It was fully booked out. What?
Christmas Day, the next day.
Where we kind of just did nothing but eat and drink and opened up presents. Merry Christmas. Ready for the cold weather?
I'm ready for Canada.
Winston! Oh. Easy for travel as well. We can vlog like this.
That was nice. So we got to play around with the GoPro, which
Yes.
we're using right now to film.
Ha! Now I don't have to hold it.
That's side eye.
Say hello. Say
Hello.
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 Hello. Frohe Weihnachten.
Merry Christmas. And a Happy New Year.